Did you know mess makes you tired? It's true. Clutter bombards your mind. It steals your energy. Our homes should be our havens. They should be places of peace and rest. Clutter disrupts this peace. It's time to reclaim our space and our minds. It's time to declutter. Decluttering is about more than just cleaning. It's a transformative process that can change your life. When you start to declutter, you begin to see the things that truly matter to you. It's not just about getting rid of stuff, it's about making space for the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. It's about making space for what truly matters. By organizing your home, you create an environment that supports your well-being. You can display items that have sentimental value and arrange your space in a way that reflects your personality and values. When you let go of things you don't need, you make room for joy. Donating items can bring a sense of relief and satisfaction, knowing that they will be useful to someone else. This act of giving can also foster a sense of community and connection. A tidy home leads to a tidy mind. When your living space is clean and organized, it can have a profound impact on your mental clarity. You can find things more easily and you feel more in control of your environment. When your surroundings are organized, you can think more clearly. A clutter-free space allows you to focus better on your tasks and be more productive. It can also inspire creativity and help you come up with new ideas. You can focus on your goals. Decluttering reduces stress. It brings peace. By having a clean and organized space, you can prioritize your goals and work towards them without distractions. It also creates a peaceful environment where you can relax and recharge. It allows you to breathe easier in your own home. A tidy space can improve your overall well-being, making you feel more at ease and comfortable. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your quality of life. Starting can feel overwhelming. The sheer amount of stuff can make it hard to know where to begin. You might feel paralyzed just looking at the clutter. We might feel attached to things. These items often hold memories and sentimental value, making it tough to part with them. It's okay to feel this way. We might worry about waste. The thought of contributing to landfills can be distressing. Consider donating or recycling items to ease this concern. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Friends, family, or even professional organizers can offer valuable support and encouragement. There are professionals and resources available. Start small. Books, online tutorials, and professional services can guide you through the process. Choose one area, like a drawer. Focus on the positive. Celebrate small victories and build momentum as you go. Imagine the peace of a clutter-free space. Visualize how much more enjoyable and functional your home can be. You can do this. Hold each item in your hands. Feel its weight, its texture, and its presence in your life. Take a moment to connect with it. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it bring a smile to your face or a sense of peace to your heart? Listen to your inner feelings. If it does, keep it, cherish it, and find a special place for it in your home. Let it be a source of happiness and comfort. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Donate what you can to those in need. Recycle responsibly to protect our planet. Release any guilt associated with letting go. You are making space for a happier, healthier you. A space that reflects your true self and brings you joy every day. Decluttering is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself. Take breaks when needed and celebrate small victories along the way. Enjoy the process of creating a home that sparks joy. Embrace the peace and clarity that comes with an organized space. Your home is your sanctuary.